Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, time to get back on these handles and get them all cut up, shaped up, see where we get with them, and yeah man, I'll make sure to put my website up in the cards. It's the first down in the description. I got Amazon links to all the tools I use. Do me a favor, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave me some comments, let me know what's going on with your knife making. Oh, and by the way, with comments, Steve in the last video, he said that I should use parchment paper instead of the paper towel. Man, I forgot. I used to do parchment paper, but somehow I forgot. I guess I haven't done a bunch of handles. When I got into these bad boys, I stopped doing handles and forgot. Now I'm back to fixed blades. I got to remember little things like that. So yeah, thanks Steve. I appreciate that. Man, my voice is going. I just recorded the video for story time, which I'll put the whole playlist for story time up there. Woo! Man, you see me slipping? Make sure to leave me some comments. You know, I mess up all the time and forget things like that. So, yeah, let's just get right to it. So I don't know what happened. I must have hit this camera and turned it off, or hit it twice and turned it off, because the whole next part you're gonna see is cut out. And then, yeah, after that was playing, so I must have turned it, I don't know. Anyway, what I show you is I'm gonna mark out here and then take them apart and put them together like this. But you have to use a screw. I tried to save that part, but we'll see. I haven't edited it all. I was just looking and I was like, man, why is this footage all messed up? These are 1/4 inch pivots, 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch pivots, 8/32 threads. So I buy 8/32 screws. And you want to put it in there, then you'll see me tap them out, then I take them and I put them together like this. See, pivots, boom, put them together. This is going to be an Anzo. Back to the video. Just make sure when you take them apart, you put them together how they're supposed to be, you know? Don't knock them out with a hammer. Make sure to screw it in. Then pop it out. Boom. Same with putting them together. Boom. In the bandsaw. Now in the last video I forgot to wear gloves, and this carbon fiber made me itch for like 3 or 4 days. So gloves, jacket. What we're gonna do is just hang the belt over. I already did this for Instagram. Hang the belt over and get it all the way down to the metal like this. And then we're going to the horizontal to clean it all up. Like I said, man, even if you're putting the pins and gluing, put them on pivots to shape it. You get it 95% done, then glue up. Just makes more sense. Well, at least to me. Let's do it. I'm gonna put the fan in here and open that window. It stinks. Not to mention, this jacket's hot. All right, 1 down, 3 to go, and then horizontal. I swear that snake wood's harder than the carbon fiber G10 put together. Woo! Look at this belt. All right, to the horizontal. Here we go. I got this for all 4 of these. I already did this one. See, you know, off the vertical, the lines are going this way. We want them nice and smooth going this way, like that. But you probably can't see because, man, I just set up all this lighting. Take my word for it, it's nice and smooth. Then I'm gonna put the 6-inch wheel on and finish the backs, and I'm calling it a night. 6-inch wheel, here we go. I'm gonna do the whole thing, bam. See you in a second. I got them all apart and put together. Apart and together. Who knew? I almost forgot I'm doing the anvil on that. So when I get them all shaped up, I'm gonna have to practice on a piece to see how I do my anvils. Now, what I do is I like to keep it like at least an 1/8 inch away from the middle when I have them together like this. But you can go a little bit thicker. That way when you put them back on the knife, you're not like right up to the knife and you got some room to play with and round it off and all that. This is just to get it to that point. I'm gonna take them and make them smaller here and smooth them all out. And all that, and then we'll put the small wheel back on and do the Enzo and all that. Let's start out with snake wood. I tell you what, this snake wood's harder than the carbon fiber, probably harder than steel. I'm gonna go wash everything off and put on the small wheel. I'm gonna do up to the ends though, and then I'm gonna go cut a piece and maybe tomorrow practice Andrews because I'm covered in carbon fiber. I gotta go take a cold bath in my laundry room sink. I don't want to track this all over the house. Andrew's coming last. I'm gonna put these back on the blade and just kind of mess with them a little bit. I got a 120 on here, so I'm just gonna smooth them all out, get them all rounded down. Well, after I get my gloves back on, this is the next day. I'm gonna save the Anzo for later. Probably put it in the next video and then hand sanding and all that. I'm just gonna small wheel the 6-inch wheel and then I'll meet you back at the bench. All right, this one's like moving away, but when I press it in, so I'm gonna flare these out. I'll show you. These are cement drill bits. I used the third one for 1/4 inch. So I'm just gonna go and flare these out and then put screws in and see before I go any further. So there's our screws, they're all in, everything's nice and tight. I was a little worried, I was just flaring out a little bit on the back here, but now we can get it all smoothed out. All right, we're just gonna finish it all up. Check this out, there must have been an air bubble right there, a little spot. I don't know if I can put super glue in there or something and a little bit of powder, you know, carbon fiber powder or what. It was bigger, it was like this big, and then I must be on the back side of it. I had to take a lot off just to make it, I mean, man, whew, feels a lot better, but man. Just a little, yeah. All of a sudden I saw it opening up, it was like that big. Now it's down to there. I can't go anymore, I'll go into there. I got these drilled and ready. Let's do it. Y'all notice I've been saying let's do it a lot more, I don't know where I got that. All right, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. It's so small, but you can, hopefully it'll focus. Come on, focus off. See that little spot. Man, and it was bigger. It was down to here. I got it down to there, but I can't go anymore. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't like giveaways, but maybe I'll do something like that. I mean, I'll have to make a new handle. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what I should do. Even though I'm pretty sure I know what you guys say I should do. Boom. So, yeah. This one. Boom. All done. Boom, 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 right? Next video, I'm going to cut out some handles just like this and practice Anzos on both sides, just with the pieces of scrap and all that, and then do hand sanding and see where we get. But I think that's about it. Make sure to leave some comments, like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. Like I said, my website's up in the cards. First down in the description, I got Amazon links down there. Also on my website, I got shirts. I only got 2 knives, a couple have sold, so I'm running out, but I got these coming up, so. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll put the playlist right here, and my website's right there. Hope y'all are having a great day, and as always, take it easy. Alright, time to go take a cold bath in the laundry tub. I almost didn't say that right. Woo!